We will disconnect the hose clamp. We'll use 7mm socket. Disconnect the mass flow sensor connector. Now we will disconnect the clip that holds the wire. Before we remove the air filter housing, we have to remove two latches on the side. Just use the flat screwdriver. There's one on this side and another one on the right. Now you'll be able to completely remove the whole assembly. Again, this is where we had to press right here on the sides in order to be able to remove it this way. Right here you can see the mass airflow sensor. Inside you can see the engine air filter. There are three plastic studs that hold the assembly in place. You also can see the rubber bushing right here, and there is one right here, one was right there, and another one right here. Because we removed our air intake, now we have to clean all the dirt. First of all, right here, carefully remove all the dust, dirt that you can see, and do the same thing on this end. Now we will reinstall the engine air filter housing. First we'll transfer this rubber bushing to its place right here. The other two are already in there. Don't forget to remove the reg.
Now we have to align on 3 studs. Make sure that is ready to be snapped on, and just push it to the end, snap it on, and the air intake hose goes back.
Use 7mm socket to tighten the hose clamp. Reconnect the connector, and we can put the clip back in.